Dear friends, I am Ramajayam, a chemistry enthusiast. I am presenting this video for the benefit of students of chemistry, chemical researchers, and those who are dealing with the development of new drugs. For this, the requirements are: you should have downloaded Anaconda 3 or above, and you should have Python 3.7. Also, you should have rdkit. You should have downloaded the rdkit module and PubChem module. You can generate a new compound or modify a compound by adding or substituting an atom or group using MedChem Designer and get the smiles notation also. By using the smiles notation, you can also get the properties by this program. Smiles notation is nothing but an abbreviation for simple molecular input line entry system. Now let us see an example of how to generate a molecule and its smiles, and then apply it here for deriving its properties. This is MedChem Designer, wherein you can make a structure and get its smiles. For instance, you can have the benzene structure, and you can put a bond here, and then you can have one more benzene structure you can add, and you can have here a chlorine atom, and this benzene ring. You can have a bromine atom, now this is the chemical compound we have envisaged, and let us see how we can get the smiles for this. Now you highlight this whole structure, so you select the whole structure, then save it, copy it as smiles. Now here you can put the smiles here. Here we have got the program. PubChem module is there. So we have imported PubChem as PCP. From PubChem we have imported compound, get compounds. Then import pandas as PD. Now when you run this program, it will be prompting you to input the smiles string. So now we will run this program. We will again restart this kernel. Now we can run it. Now this is a prompting for smile string. So now we'll save from MedChem Designer whatever we have generated compound and this string. Now we'll save it here. This is the string. Now this CID number, compound number we'll put here. So it has given some of its properties like UPAC name, 1-bromo-4,4-chlorophenyl benzene. Molecular formula it has given, molecular weight also is given, and all synonyms they are listed here. Now we'll type the molecular formula. Just copy it and paste here. Then now when you run this, then you get all the other properties, all CID numbers, then it's fingerprint, canonical smiles, then number of coordinate, covalent, stereo count, etc. So all these properties are given here. Even this X log P, that is partition coefficient, also is given here. Now next is we get the structure again here. You can have the structure here. Same smiles will put here. Sorry. The smiles we got here. This is the smile we have generated here. So the smiles will put here. Now these are the scripts for drawing the structure, and now we will generate the structure by and display it here. This is the structure which we envisaged in MedChem Designer. The same structure we have got here. We have also been able to get all its important properties to this program. This will help in developing new compounds, new drug molecules by modifying the structure. Thank you for watching.